everyone, it's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Today is January 25th, 2020, making today a Saturday. Today I'm going to be analyzing three different pairs. I'm going to be analyzing EURUSD, GBPUSD, and AUDUSD. This is the week of January 27 to the 31st, 2020. So I just want to remind everyone, if you want to see the full analysis, you have to subscribe to the channel so you will know when I'm going to be posting the new full analysis for the week of the January 27 to 31st. The link is below. All you got to do is what? Subscribe. Again, the name of the channel is Tim with Irvin. You want to see the rest of the full analysis, you have to subscribe. Otherwise, I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna be able. You're not gonna be able to see it. Neither I'm gonna be able to post it on your platform. All right. So I want everyone to really know from now on how I'm gonna be operating. Okay. So and today we're gonna be talking more about super easy forex. All right, so the triple arrow system is one of the best systems in the world. And I also wanted to let you know, if you have not subscribed to our Forex USA group on our Facebook, please do so by searching Forex USA group. All right. And one thing for all those haters that are there, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and what? I didn't hear you. And what? And hundreds of pips, guys. It's that simple. But just by using triple arrow system, it's gonna put your life to another level of financial freedom. All right. So I want to help the world one way or another by giving you the best knowledge. And remember, guys, all this is free, and these are educational purpose using the triple arrow system. If you are not in this business, you better consider this. Is the link is below, guys, so you should subscribe. So I'm gonna be giving you guys $20 for the rest of the week. I want to thank to all those that have already subscribed, and we already reimburse couple $100. So we're gonna continue doing that for the rest of the month, and $20 is $20. All right, so make sure that you click on the link below. All right, so let's go to our this week analysis that I'm gonna be doing for you guys, and hopefully everything makes sense. So remember, guys, if you are struggling here, all you gotta do is send me a message and I will be more than happy to help you. Okay, the link is below, guys. All right, so let's start. Let's start with the Australian dollar versus the USD dollar. All right, so what is my expectation for this week? What I'm expecting to see, guys, let me make a circle here. I'm expecting to see this week a triple arrow formation, which is just forming, but it's not fully ready there yet, as you see it. All right, so all we have so far is only the big arrow. What I'm expecting to see, guys, is what? What do you think it's gonna do? It's gonna create maybe 1 or 2, 3 more candles here, right? And then from this point on, it's gonna do what? It's gonna shut out to a small pullback, and then in this area here, it's gonna give us another small pullback, retesting our area here, and then it's gonna take off. All right, so I think that is what we're gonna be seeing this week. So it's just forming a triple arrow in this particular area. So remember, guys, I do this analysis. I'll go over it with you guys live on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure that you do subscribe so you are gonna be aware when we're gonna be posting the other link, the full analysis one. Anyway, and then you will be knowing when the live session will start. So you will get a notification only if you do what? Only if you subscribe. All right, so that's what I'm expecting to see this week, guys, for this pair, for the AUDUSD. And I remember, look at the time frame that I'm using, guys. I really want you to pay attention to all the details. That's the only way you're gonna succeed in this business. But remember, in this trade here, you should not be here for a long time. All right, so eventually, what do you think it's gonna do in real time after all this small pullback retest? And then it's gonna drop. But we're gonna come back on Wednesday and we're gonna reanalyze it. So far, we're gonna leave it where it is, and hopefully you come back with me on Wednesday and we analyze it together. And I want to shout out to all those that are coming on the on our channel. It really is helping, and it's changing a lot of life, and I'm super happy to be part of your success. And I mean, the triple arrow is easy, guys. It's super easy. Remember, we are giving $20 cash back if you want to subscribe. The link is below if you want to grab it, but it's you make the decision. If you want that to change your perspective in your life, then you know what you have to do. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and analyze GBPUSD. Remember, this week on these 3 trades that I'm trading today, that I'm giving you, I'm making the video today, is done only on what time frame do you think it's doing? Well, look at here. I already highlighted, so you should be able to see that it's 4 hours. Look at here again. All right, guys, I made an indicator the other day how to install and copy my settings on the on this particular indicator. You can search it on it. It's on the video, so if you want that, you can have it. I put it in 2 different parts because I think the second part I really don't like it to have it on my chart, but anyway, some of you may like it, so you can go ahead and check it out. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and continue with our analysis. On the GBPUSD, what are we expecting to see for this for the week of the 27th to the 31st, guys? What do you think is gonna happen, right? So what we're looking here is we're looking for a continuation of the trend. So the trend is not fully ready yet to do that small pullback, right? So we're looking for another 3 more candles, and then the market is gonna give us a small pullback, retesting our mid 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line. From that point on, what do you think it's gonna do? All right, let me go back here so you can see it. From here, I'm looking to see a small potential buy, right, for a couple more pips. And once it gets to this area here, retesting our 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line, I'm looking for what? For a small sell. Why? Because who is in charge, guys? I want you to tell me. Who is in charge? Well, if you say it was triple arrow in a bearish market, look at that. You are correct. Right there. That's what it is. Triple arrows in that area. So that's why the market is performing exactly what the triple arrow is telling us that it's doing. See, triple arrow don't lie, guys. Triple arrow is a beast. Believe that. It is a beast, guy. It's the best system ever. You know, I keep saying that. You have to agree with me one way or another. This system is a killer. But again, these are just my analysis using the triple arrow system, guys. Remember, come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time so you can analyze the market with me in real time. Now, if you comment in the comment below this video and say, Irvin, can you analyze this pair on Wednesday? I'm struggling on this one. I will be more than happy to do so. You can also contact me. I can create a small private video for you so you can understand how the triple arrow works. I mean, it's easy, guys. It's really easy, guys. So I want to help you, the world. And, you know, we have the best system. Triple arrow is the system. All right, let's move on to our last pair for the day. So remember, this video is gonna be broke down in 2 different parts, part of 3 and the part of the rest of the video. So the video that the last one that I have here for you guys is on the EURUSD. The next pairs that I'm gonna be analyzing on a full depth analysis is gonna be the USD CHF, the USD Canadian, the USD JPY, GBP JPY, NCD USD, CHF JPY, Swiss francs based Japanese yen, apology in there, GBP versus our NCD, AUD versus our Canadian, GBP Canadian dollar, Euro NCD, and USD Canadian dollar. Oh, do you know what? I had the USD Canadian dollars twice. So we're gonna go ahead and take one off. All right, so I'm taking one off, so when we come back on Wednesday, you're gonna ask me to analyze any of your pair. Live. All right, so what is the analysis for this week on the Euro USD dollar? What time frame are we analyzing here? Right, you said it was 4 hours. That is correct. So what are we expecting to see for this week? We're expecting to see probably 3 more candles to fully form what? What do you think it's going to do in this area, guys? What do you think it's going to do? We're going to be seeing, what do you think we're going to be seeing? Right, triple arrow, believe that it's going to form in here. Triple arrow is gonna be here, guys, but it's not ready yet. We're gonna come back on Wednesday again, and we're gonna reanalyze it together, and hopefully everything works out based on our analysis of this week. All right, remember, these are not signals, guys. We had the signals group in our program, but this is only an educational purpose. All right, so hopefully you agree with me on this analysis. Yes, the market is gonna come back and give us another 3 more candles before what? Before it give us a what? What do you think it's gonna do us from here? It's gonna give us a sell, and then it's gonna retest our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line, giving us another. I'm sorry, I wrote it down wrong. My apology. Not a sell. Is, if you correct me on that, I respect that. It's gonna be giving us a potential buy, and here it's gonna give us a small sell, retesting mid 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line before the market takes off as a bullish market. All right, so why am I saying that it's doing that, guys? It's very simple. It's very simple, because the overall of this trend is bullish. All right, so in my opinion, the market is gonna go where? What direction is gonna go from this point on? To be honest, it's gonna go up. Market is bullish. So you will come back anyway with me on Wednesday. You're gonna judge me. You're gonna say, Irvin, you were right, you were wrong. Either way works better. Remember, guys, we're not here to please everyone. All right, so, but I'm here to help you. If you want to help yourself, it's up to you, but I'm here to help you. All right, so remember, guys, if you have any question, please drop the comment below on this link. I already gave you the rest of the analysis that I'm gonna be dropping. So if you're really interested on it, here's the rest of the pairs that I'm gonna be analyzing right here. All right, so it's all there. So hopefully you do subscribe and pay attention when the new links comes on. All right, so I really want to thank everyone for coming in today, and looking forward to see you on my next video of our full analysis. All right, guys, so thank you, and I will talk to you in seconds. Take care, guys. Talk to you later.